What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.02628, up 7% on the day. Nice little pump in the market with the big XRP news, sitting in market cap at 561 million, 24-hour volume 100 million. So let's hop into the charts. From an elliott wave perspective, I do think we're still going through a correction. Because I think Bitcoin, even if Bitcoin and Ethereum put in one more higher high, which looks likely, eventually they're going to pull back. So potentially an ABC into a wave W, pushing up in a wave X, and then come down in a wave Y to our target zone in between 0.019 and 0.022, which are fib retracement levels for this pullback. Let me do it quickly here. Because if we're going to see a continuation up from here in a wave 3, basically, Bitcoin and Ethereum can't come down. They have to continue up for Gala to continue pumping. Unless we do something like XRP did and we just have massive news, then I think we could still be going through the correction and potentially still looking for a pullback to 0.019 and 0.0224. That's what I'm looking at right now. We'll have to see how everything plays out. I've recently partnered with BTCC exchange for my US, Canadian traders and other countries that have to use a VPN and don't want to use KYC. There's no KYC, there's no VPN. Especially, I know my American traders and Canadian traders are suffering right now having to use a VPN. This exchange is completely legal to use in America, the US, and many other countries. Receive up to 50K in bonuses. You receive 40% off your first month trading fees. This platform is in the top 3 for trading volume, and it's been around for 12 years. It's never been hacked. They've never had any security issues at all. So you can sign up for my referral link, especially my American and Canadian traders that are looking for an exchange they can use legally to trade with leverage to trade derivatives without having to use a VPN and without having to do a KYC. All right, gang. So looking at Gala here on the daily time frame, we've broken out of the falling wedge pattern, pushed right up to the 55 EMA. So if we can pull back and hold the wedge, what I think is likely is we break below the wedge a little bit and potentially break this low and then bounce off the support of the wedge and see continuation to the upside. But of course, if we can hold the wedge and we just start to bounce, then we can continue to break out. But if Bitcoin and Ethereum see a decent enough pullback, it's gonna pull Gala down too. So we're pushing right up into the 55 EMA, but we have broken out of this pattern. So let's see if we start to pull back soon. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum could push up in one more wave. So you may see Gala start to try to tackle these highs before pulling back, but we'll see how everything plays out. All right, gang, my signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to the Patreon link. We're in 3 trades right now, including Gala, which is in profit, as well as Forex trades. You get access to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals analysis as well. For only $10 a month, basic access is free to the Discord. Check the links in the bio and the description. And of course, sign up to BTCC. If you're tired of using a VPN, if you do not want to use KYC, you need a trusted exchange, grab up to 50K in bonuses and 40% off for your first month of trading fees. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to do that. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.